yeah, grab them. That one, yeah, grab them. That one, yeah, grab them.
Hey, what's up? What's happening? What's going on? Wagwan and hola. I am Tiffany and welcome to my channel. I am outside with my Jeep Wrangler, baby, and today my brother is going to install a gas cap cover to my truck because it came with just a regular gas cap. You just unscrew it and just put your gas in, no cover, and I wasn't really feeling that, so I ordered a gas cap cover from Amazon and he's installing it today, so this should be pretty easy. I forwarded him a few YouTube videos on it so he could see how it's done, and he was like, yeah, I could do that. And I was like, okay, I'll just record it. So here I am, but let's get into it. Hopefully my nose isn't running because it's cold outside. And oh, I got this hat too from the beauty supply today, so I thought it was really cute. It is Friday, December 2nd. I just got home not too long ago. It's about 7 p.m. I had a very, very long day. I kicked my boot off. It's in the back behind me over there. I got a Jeep Wrangler, big body, big boy truck. Okay, I've always wanted one and I got one. So yeah, I made 2 shorts. Go check those out. But anyway, this is the gas cap cover, bigger than the palm of my hand. And let's see, it looks like that. Let me open it. Ooh. Okay, open it and it looks like this. And this part is like aluminum metal. See, like it's, yeah. And this part is a thick plastic though. And I got the one that locks because why not? And that's how it sits. And it comes with a rubber seal and the keys to it and some installation instructions there. And I'm gonna have my talented brother Corey install it for me. We did some research and it looks fairly easy to install. So he says he feels confident that he can do it, and I'm going to let him do it for me. The next time you see me will be getting it installed, okay? And my brother is about to install the gas cap cover on my car, so we're gonna see how this turns out. So he's just unscrewing that little white bolt right there. Okay. He's just looking for like the little tabs to release the base of the gas cap. And it's coming loose. Oh. Okay. That's what it's looking like. And he just popped the gas cap cover in place. And he's reattaching the cap. Oh, okay. Oh, ooh. Pop my tail light back in. Now he's just re-screwing the bolt back in place. That white bolt that we saw earlier, he's just screwing that back in. And I'm holding this in place. Look at his face. You better get it. I think we are done. It's good. Bam. And that's it. All right, Corey, so how long do you think that took? 5 minutes. Awesome. You did that. Looks good. Okay. And that is the finished product. Thank you, Corey. All right, so my brother just installed the gas cap cover to my Jeep and it looks good. Okay, I think I showed y'all about 1,000,000 times, but it's right there. It's looking really good. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave a comment down below. Give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. And I will see y'all next time. Later. Later.
That one, yeah, grab them. That one, yeah, grab them.